Hello friends, myself Dr. Gauri Chavan. Friends, you know that an earring is a very important accessory for any woman. Of course, because it increases the beauty of your face and it completes any outfit. But today I have a very interesting case with me. A 72 years old lady is with me and she was very much disappointed that she can't wear her earrings. Her earlobe has been torn into two parts, and it was because of continuous usage of heavy earrings. When her daughter brought her to me, she told me that her mother is really feels very disappointed because in any of the festival seasons she can't wear her earrings, and she asked me, is there any treatment for that? So I told her, yes, of course we can do, and I suggested her oroplasty, which is called as an otoplasty also. It's a cosmetic surgery for the earlobe repair. And Ajay's this year right earlobe was totally torn into two parts, so we stitched it and you can actually see it is totally healed in just a week of time, and now she is really very happy that she can wear her earrings again.
आता ताईचे कान बरे झाले.
थँक्यू. आता असेच नेहमी कानातले घालत राहा, ठीक आहे. I just want to tell you one thing, that beauty has no age boundaries. You have the right to stay beautiful and ever young at any age. So stay beautiful and stay ever young. Thank you.